What if your website could answer the questions you get for you 24/7 without you lifting a finger? Today, I'm building an AI chatbot live, step by step. And whether you run a business, a blog, or a side project, you can do the exact same thing. No coding, 5 steps, 5 minutes. Let's get it done. This is 5 steps in 5 minutes with AI. If you're new here, this series is all about making AI simple, accessible, no matter what you do. Whether you're a small business owner, an entrepreneur, or a student, I want to make sure you can use AI in your day-to-day. We're using a free cloud-based tool called Botpress to build a fully functional customer support chatbot. And to make this real, I'm building one for my own website, markintheloop.com. So you can actually see the work and even use it for yourself after this video. All right, let's get into it. Step 1, create your bot. Head over to botpress.com, sign up for a free account. You don't need a credit card. It's completely free to start. Once you're in the dashboard, click Create Bot. It's going to ask you if you want to use a setup wizard. For this tutorial, skip it. We're going to do this manually so you understand every step. Give your bot a name. I'm calling mine Mark in the Loop Assistant. You can name yours whatever fits your business or your project. Once that's done, you're in. Step 2, set the instructions and build your knowledge base. Let's start with the instructions. This is where you instruct your chatbot on its identity and expected behavior. Think of it like onboarding a new team member. You're giving it a role, a personality, and guidelines. Click on instructions and you'll see a text box where you can type natural language, no code, just plain English. Here's what I'm putting for mine. If you want this sample, I'm leaving it in the comments below. That's it. You can customize for your own business. Pro tip, you can use ChatGPT or Claude to help you write these instructions. Just describe your business and ask it to generate a simple instruction prompt for you. Now let's build the knowledge base. The instructions tell it how to behave. The knowledge base tells it what to say. Click the knowledge base in the left menu. You have a few options here. You can upload documents, paste text, or add a website URL. I'm going to add my website URL, markintheloop.com. Botpress will crawl the site, learn everything on it, my video descriptions, the resource links, the GitHub repos, all of it. If you have an FAQ page, upload that page too. The more relevant content you give, the smarter it gets. Once you've added those sources, hit save. Botpress will process everything and your knowledge base is ready. Step 3, test your agent and publish. Before we go live, we need to make sure our chatbot actually works. On the right side of the screen, you'll see an emulator. This is your testing playground. Let me try a few questions. What videos are available? And look at that. It pulls up the full list of my series, part 1 through part 4, plus the LlamaCon special. Let me try another one. Where can I download Ollama? Boom. It gives me the link and some description with it. Now let's test something it shouldn't know. What's Mark's favorite pizza topping? There you go. It doesn't know, mainly because I don't have one maybe. And please don't contact me through this email just for my favorite pizza topping. You could say that in the comments below. Perfect. It's not making stuff up. It's staying in its lane. That's exactly what we want. If something's off, go back to your instructions or knowledge base and tweak it. This is where you fine tune and make sure that everything is correct or it feels good for you to use as chatbot. Once you're happy, click publish in the top right corner. Botpress will push your bot live. Step 4, customize your bot's appearance. Now let's make it look good. Go back to your dashboard, click on web chat in the left menu. This is where you can customize everything. Under bot identity, you can change your bot's name and avatar. I'm naming mine Mark in the Loop Assistant, uploading a custom icon and matches my brand. Under appearance, you can change the color to match the website. I'm setting my primary color to match my site's theme. You can also customize the welcome message, the placeholder text, whatever fits your brand. Very important. Every time you make a change, you need to click Publish Changes for it to go live. If you skip this, your updates won't show on your website. So make your edits, then hit Publish Changes. Step 5, embed to your website. All right, moment of truth. Let's put this chatbot on a real website. Stay on the web chat section and go to Deploy Settings. This is where you'll find the embed code. It's just a few lines of HTML. Copy that. Now open your website editor. For most platforms, we have Wix, WordPress, or Squarespace. You'll paste this into an HTML section of your site. Usually in the header or the footer. I'm adding mine in markintheloop.com right now. Refresh, and there it is. Bottom right corner, a chat widget that matches my brand, ready to help anyone who visits my website. And that's it. You just built a fully functional AI chatbot, 5 steps in 5 minutes, no coding. Now here's the thing. This is just the beginning. Botpress can do way more, like lead capture, buttons, integrations with WhatsApp and Messenger. If you want me to cover those, let me know in the comments. And if you haven't already, go to markintheloop.com, try the chatbot yourself, ask it a question, see how it works. Let me know if it helps you find what you need. As always, if you hit a snag, screenshot it, paste it to ChatGPT, Claude, and ask for help. That's the fastest way to troubleshoot nowadays. If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button. I'm covering a few more AI cases with the next few weeks. Keep building, keep hustling, and most importantly, stay in the loop.